Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm here once again with Joe from Epic 4x4 Adventures. Joe is here for some more KRX'S. So we're going to talk a little bit about the KRX, about the models he's picked, and MOAB. So MOAB has been hopping this year.
We've been thankful and lots of customers coming through. We're really appreciative of it.
So when the KRX first launched, as you guys probably know from past videos, Joe hit us up and said, hey, we're starting this company in MOAB. We're going to do things a little bit differently than everybody else, and that's exactly what he's done. Joe is 100% KRX fleet.
100%.
And not only are they stock, but you've done your own twist to them. Everything that they do is high class, top notch, the best in the business. Absolutely. What types of things are you doing, and how are the customers responding?
Well, we take them, we do our own cage, we do our own roof. Of course, we do all the Kawasaki bumpers and nerf bars. We put 35s on them because what we specialize in is taking our customers out and truly teaching them how to rock crawl. It's not a follow the leader kind of tour. Yes, you follow our guides, but we go out in the big trails, the big rocks, and for that, there is nothing better than the KRX. Our customers love them. They go from a rookie to a professional in a 4-hour tour, and they're having the time of their lives. So that's why we stick to the KRXs. They are phenomenal rock crawlers.
So you've had the KRX since it first came out.
I have.
And they have been great out on the trails. And we're not just talking Hell's Revenge.
No.
I mean, you're doing Poison Spider. You're doing the fun stuff, not just
Poison Spider. We'll even take them up the rim if we think they're up for it. So yeah.
Perfect. And what are your customers saying? Like when they come back, what are they saying? Are they talking about obviously the experience, but about the vehicle? Tell us what they're saying about the vehicle.
Well, they basically talk about how amazing it is to drive, how easy it is to drive, and they're amazed at how easy it goes up big ledges. You have to understand, if you've never went up a 6-foot rock ledge, and you do it for the first time, you're kind of nervous. And they go up, and the look on their face in the beginning is, oh my God, I'm gonna die. And the look on their face at the end is, I gotta have one of these machines. Literally, we've probably sold 10 of these things from guys coming back and going, or females. A lot of female drivers. In some cases, they're even better drivers. But at the end of the day, they just love how easy they go up the hard stuff. They love the suspension. Of course, we equip them with the UR4 seat harnesses and a few other things. They love how safe they feel, and it's just an easy machine to take brand new guys out into the rocks with. It really is.
For the most part, most of your clientele, even though you have return customers, but most of them are first timers. Like
Yep.
They've not experienced a side-by-side before, right?
Yeah, almost all of them are first time customers. Now, we do have people that come back the next day, and the next day, and the next day. If they're in MOAB for a week, they've got all these plans, they do one trail with us, usually an easier one, they come back, they gotta do another one.
Right.
What's the next one? What's the next one? And by the 4th day, I'm pretty sure the boat that they were gonna buy is on hold, and they're gonna buy one of these.
There you go.
So
right now you've got a whole bunch of 2020s.
We do.
You've got green and you've got white, and we're adding on to the fleet.
We are.
This trip, you're picking up guide cars, basically.
Yep, since we do it a little different, my guides are, they're pretty special to us. We train them a little different, and I want them to have their own cars. So when Kawasaki came out with the 2 special editions, I'm like, there's my guide cars. So that's what we're here to do today.
So this one here is one of them that's going home with Epic 4x4 Adventure, you guys. This is the Trail Edition. Now don't let that confuse you. It is the same width, but the Trail Edition comes trail ready, if you will. It's got the Nerf bars, front and rear bumpers. It's got a Warren winch on it, or it comes with the roof. It's basically set up right out of the box, ready to go. Now Joe's favorite, pan over this way. This is what he's most excited about right here. So the Special Edition. This is, in my opinion, Joe's opinion, the best looking vehicle they've done so far. This one is special in a lot of ways. It does come with the full audio sound system from Hyphonics. It's super cool, comes with a 12-inch subwoofer, speakers in the doors. Your guides are really going to be set off on this one.
They're going to be enjoying it.
Granted, you're going to do your own little twist to both vehicles, and we can't wait to see those. We'll be sure and update you with what they're going to be doing with their flair on the accessories, but the KRX is MOAB proven, it's Epic proven,
Absolutely.
and it's going to be ready for you. So we'll drop Joe's information in the comments below, down in the description, and any other closing comments on your side. Where can they get more information?
The best way is just go to epic.com, epic4x4adventures.com. Check out what we're doing on the web, read through our trail systems, see that we're not just doing what everybody else is doing in MOAB. We really, truly aren't. Go on TripAdvisor. We happen to be #1 on TripAdvisor right now.
That's awesome.
So go ahead and read our customers' experiences, look at the pictures. Come out, let me take you for a ride on one of these KRX'S. I think you're going to be pretty impressed. So there you go.
Perfect, you guys. We appreciate you for chiming in. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. My personal cell phone, you can call or text it anytime, 435-851-3637. As always, have a great day, everybody. Joe, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
And we've got some more announcement coming with Epic, but we can't do that quite yet, can we?
We can't.
Oh, we can't do that yet.
Can't do that
we're going
right
to
now.
save that for another video. So stay tuned. These guys are making waves down there in MOAB. Their company is absolutely rocking it down there. Their experiences I've got on TripAdvisor because I wanted to see how his customers were viewing the KRX. I was a little selfish on it. I wanted to see what they were saying
Sure.
about the cars, not necessarily you as a company. But I learned a lot about you guys as well as the vehicle from checking those out. So we'll put a link to TripAdvisor on there as well. And Joe, thanks again. Have a good day, everybody.
See ya.